In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. SmartArt is a fantastic feature in Microsoft PowerPoint that allows you to create visually engaging diagrams. Whether you're looking to convey ideas, processes, or relationships, SmartArt can help you do that in a professional and appealing way. To get started, open up your PowerPoint presentation. If you're not already in edit mode, make sure to switch to it. Now, navigate to the slide where you want to add SmartArt. It's often most effective to place it on a slide that already has some content, like a title or bullet points, but you can also start fresh with a blank slide. Once you're on the right slide, look at the top of the screen for the ribbon menu. Here you want to find the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new set of options just below. Among these options, you'll see the SmartArt button. It's usually represented by a small icon that portrays interconnected shapes. Click on that. After you've clicked on the SmartArt button, a new window will pop up showing you a variety of SmartArt graphic options. There are many categories like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and pyramid. Each category serves different purposes, so think about what you want to showcase in your presentation. For instance, if you're illustrating a timeline, the process category might be ideal. Hover over the different options to see a preview, then decide which best fits your needs and click on it. Now, after selecting a graphic, click the OK button and voila, your chosen SmartArt graphic will appear on your slide. At this stage, you might find that the graphic doesn't show any text, or maybe just some placeholder text. Don't worry, that's where the fun begins. Click on the text boxes within the SmartArt to add your own content. You can type directly into these shapes or use the text pane. There's a little arrow on the left side of the graphic that opens it up for easier editing. As you populate the boxes, you'll notice how the SmartArt adapts, rearranging itself to fit your content. It's a great way to see how your information flows together visually. You can also add or delete shapes if you need to. Just go back to the SmartArt Design tab, and you'll find options for adding shapes or altering the layout. Once you have your SmartArt looking the way you want, it's time to customize it further. You can change the colors to fit your presentation's theme by clicking on Change Colors in that same SmartArt Design tab. PowerPoint provides various color schemes, which can enhance the visual appeal of your graphic. Don't forget, you can also format the text. Highlight the text you want to edit, then use the formatting tools in the Home tab, or right-click for additional options. You can change the font, size, and even apply bold or italic styles to highlight key points. Lastly, ensure your SmartArt graphic complements the overall design of your slide. Pay attention to spacing and alignment, and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint to enhance your presentations. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use this feature in your next project. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more helpful tips.